The 2011 to 2017 VW Touareg key fob uses a CR232 3-volt lithium coin cell battery. Common signs of a low battery include reduced range or failure to start the vehicle. To replace the battery, use a flathead screwdriver or coin to pry open the fob. Gently pry open the fob along the seam using the screwdriver. Remove the old battery, noting the positive side orientation. Insert the new CR2032 with the positive side facing up. Reassemble the fob and ensure proper alignment and functionality. Source batteries from reputable brands like Energizer or Duracell to avoid issues. Dispose of old batteries responsibly by recycling. Always handle batteries with clean gloves to avoid transferring oils. Be gentle when prying open the fob to prevent damage to the circuit board. Double-check the battery's polarity before reassembling. Low-quality batteries can cause malfunctions or damage, so use a trusted brand. While DIY replacement is generally straightforward, improper handling can void the warranty. As newer VW models shift towards digital keys, consider this a temporary solution relevant to older vehicles. Check your owner's manual for specific instructions, and if you're uncomfortable performing the replacement, consider professional service to avoid potential damage.